Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to Techie Study and Azure DevOps series. In this video, we are going to discuss how to mask the password and create variables in release pipeline. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is our leave. So this is our release pipeline. Go and edit and variables. Here already we have. Let me create new variable here. Pipeline variables db password. Okay, value should be sensible. Let me so db password. Let me create dbpass password value, so we can make the perfect and scope dev and prod. Okay, we have created and assigned the scope. Let's go ahead and do the task level. So here dollar $dbpass, copy this. We need to add it here as well. Okay, and save it. Save. So let's create a release. Let's check that how it goes. If it is fail or complete, let's see. See here we can add whatever required stages, dev, QA, pre-prod, prod, whatever based upon the requirement we can add the stages here. Okay, let's go ahead and check the release. So previous deployments dev prod is completed. Now we have masked the password and we have created the variables, and let me show you the properties options. Release 5, view the logs, click on it, it will open. See, password is now sensitive. It won't display the password. Okay, make sure you create the variables or parameters, pass those, pass the sensible passwords in the password section, variable section. That variable we will call it in our release pipelines. Dollar bracket, close bracket and open bracket, variable name. Okay, that's the way how to mask the value, mask the password, and this one, and create the variables here. And we can select the scope, what are the pipeline it's required. So we can select whatever required one. If you want to, like, development is different password and production is different password, we can give dev password for only dev release, and we can check in for production password for production based upon the passwords. If it is same password, that is fine. Same variable we can use it for both dev and production. See, in this also, let's see the password. Password is hidden. See, this is sensitive. Okay, this is the way we will do it. This is about today's session. Thank you so much. Yeah, if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Do subscribe, like, comment. Um, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Let's check it. It's completed or not.